In the heart of a crowded city lived Ananya, a young woman in her mid-twenties. Life had been cruel to her. She had lost her job, her savings were almost gone, and her house felt cold and empty. Ananya spent her days locked inside, staring at the same gray walls, thinking, "Nothing good ever happens to me. My life is over. I am a failure." One morning, when she finally stepped outside to buy groceries, she crossed paths with Shanti Amma, an old lady who lived next door. Shanti Amma had seen Ananya many times but noticed she always walked with her head down, her face pale with worry. With a gentle smile, Shanti Amma said, "Beta, come, have a cup of tea with me." Ananya hesitated but quietly agreed. In Shanti Amma's small, simple house, there was warmth and peace. The window near the table was filled with plants, fresh sunlight, and the sound of birds. "Why do you keep so many plants?" Ananya asked. Shanti Amma smiled. "When my husband died and my children moved away, I thought my life was empty. I used to stare at this window and see only the dust and the cracks in the glass. I was drowning in my sadness." Ananya listened carefully. "One day, I told myself, I cannot change my past, but I can change what I see through this window. So I planted a little flower. I chose to see something beautiful. And slowly, one plant became many, and my sadness became smaller." Shanti Amma held Ananya's hand. "Beta, the world outside your window is the same, but what you choose to see, that is in your hands. Positive thinking is not pretending everything is perfect. It is choosing to see a different part of life." Her words stayed in Ananya's heart. The next day, Ananya cleaned her dusty window. She bought a small plant. She started waking up early, watering it, opening her curtains, letting the light in. She made a list every morning, 3 small things to be thankful for. Days became lighter. She applied for jobs again, this time with hope instead of fear. She learned new skills. Slowly, interviews came. She was rejected many times, but she kept telling herself, "Every step is progress. I am learning. I am growing." Months later, Ananya got a good job. She found her peace again, not because life had magically changed, but because her thinking had changed. She visited Shanti Amma again and said, "You didn't just show me a window. You showed me life from the right side of the glass." Moral: you cannot always change your life immediately, but you can always change the way you look at life. That is the true power of positive thinking. Let's learn from the story. 1. Crowded, meaning a place that is full of people or things packed tightly together. Example, the city was crowded with people during the morning rush. 2. Tense, meaning feeling anxious, nervous, or stressed. Example, Ananya was tense because she was worried about her future. 3. Depressed, meaning feeling extremely sad, hopeless, and without energy for a long time. Example, she felt depressed after losing her job and staying alone at home. 4. Hesitated, meaning pause before doing something because of uncertainty or fear. Example, Ananya hesitated before accepting Amma's invitation for tea. Phai pale, meaning having little color in the face, often because of worry, sickness, or fear. Example, her face looked pale from too many sleepless nights.